Using video to record and reflect on teaching practices. E3 teachers can use video as a reflective tool to strengthen student engagement and teacher practice. As teachers examine the California standards for the teaching profession and create goals for professional learning, they explore progress towards meeting those standards by recording lessons. With video as evidence, teachers use the CSTP rubrics and support from leadership and colleagues to reflect on areas of strength and need in teaching and student engagement. Recording classroom interactions provide the teacher an opportunity to step back and reflect on student engagement and teacher moves. Recording lessons are valuable because 1. Video is a way for teachers to display, reflect, and discuss their practice relative to the CSTPs. 2. Teachers can study their practice from a new perspective when they are not involved in the immediacy of the classroom. 3. Teachers often notice student learning patterns more clearly through video study. For example, students who do not speak during class, students who dominate and engage in one-on-one dialogue with the instructor, teacher-dominated talk, or even time management and pacing of the lesson. Number 4, recording video allows teachers to note their pedagogical strengths, solve problems of practice, and set short and longer term goals for teaching and learning. And 5, subsequent recordings and viewings provide additional opportunities to talk about progress towards achieving goals. As teachers engage in the plan, teach, implement, reflect, and apply process, they can start with reflective questions to guide their work. Some examples are, what is your goal? What are you working on in your teaching practice? Who will you video? Yourself, the entire class, a small group, a learner? What will you video? An entire lesson, a part of a lesson, a conference? When will you video? A moment in time, before, during, after, pre and post? And how will you video? What camera will you use? Phone? Do you have a tripod? A videographer? Some examples of reasons for video recording a lesson might be: a teacher has 5 students disengaged during shared reading. The teacher might record the shared reading to study levels of engagement, seek causes, and provide insight for potential solutions. Another teacher might notice that they always run out of time and do not have time for closure or transference. They might record the entire lesson and look for redundancies, elaborations, and sidetracking. As you prepare to record your classroom, remember, recording video is easy with a video camera, computer, or phone. Here are some technical considerations to support the recording of your lessons. Set up the camera or phone on a tripod. Have a trusted colleague video the lesson. Proximity is important for sound quality. Teachers should use their microphone in the classroom when recording. Editing takes time. There's no need to edit. Raw footage provides enough evidence for information gathering and reflection. Take note on runtime when sharing the video or videos with your colleagues and principal. Know which segments you want to share and have them prepped ahead of time. And last, record entire lessons, small segments, or even record audio only. There are so many options. Through careful planning and reflection, an E3 teacher can use video to highlight and identify areas of need, provide insights for next steps for instruction, and identify opportunities to increase student engagement. The collection of video over time provides overall evidence of growth in teaching practices. Remember, you decide what lesson or parts of lessons to video. You decide which videos to share with your colleagues or principal. This is your growth process. Have fun.